points in mind. I am talented, I will not give up, I shall dream, I shall come out with ideas, I understand the power of networking, I remain focused, my self-discipline, I will not complicate things, I will keep it simple, I am successful. These 10 words is enough for you to make a Superman out of you, and Superman is in our mind, and that is possible. From nothing to something, if I can do in 30-35 years, something like this, you are already equipped. Technical skills, ecosystem, computers, everything, all CIOs, information officers, CXOs and the world people are there to help you out. You should come out with wonderful ideas and create original products in India, which India has not done that. China is 60% energy efficient, India is only dependent 95% energy. If you can come out with co-working models or models of AI, original model product, we can capture the whole world and we can do it. Thank you very much.
It's a wonderful opportunity today to launch our Indian Chamber of Commerce, which already crossed 100 years of its existence in India, to launch its IT committee in Bangalore, in Karnataka. We are looking forward to working here with government, with companies, and create the ecosystem that is going to take forward the industry and its agenda in conjunction with the government of Karnataka and government of India. It's their road plan for Viksit Bharat. Today we are talking here about a very interesting topic, human and AI. You know, is it human only or machine only or AI only? I think our position is it's not an human or AI, it's a question of human and AI. We will use the technology in a way that can help the society, help the poor of our country, and make it, move forward. The use of AI, and it's creating a huge opportunity. You have heard already from different speakers in terms of job creation in India and abroad as well. So it is with this kind of focus, I think it's the right time to have a seminar on how we put human first and utilize the AI and its capability to drive industry agenda. Thank you.
So how do you create a job?
AI is creating opportunity for different companies, different enterprises in different way. In the spaces where perhaps earlier there was not enough reach of technology, with the help of AI, now people are utilizing the technology over there. I can give you example after example, starting from healthcare to insurance to let's say agri-tech, how people are utilizing AI. I think it's creating tremendous opportunity for more and more people to absorb technology and use it. And it is creating enough jobs, but may not be the same jobs, but newer jobs. We are talking about agentic AI today, and to build those agents. We're talking about LLMs and how to create those business solutions using those LLMs. It's creating a lot of new opportunity for people. So while we see that some of the jobs are getting replaced by automation, there are more than that job going to get created because of this AI and the infrastructure we need to build the AI. Thousands of data centers are coming out all over the place just to drive AI. So that is creating enough job, right? So I think it is going to, at the end of the day, creating more and more job, and which we have seen in the past also with a lot of technology, that when new technology comes, yes, it creates impact in the immediate time frame, but in the long run, it creates more opportunity than it displaces.
Good morning. I am Sanjeev Gupta, CEO for Karnataka Digital Economy Missions. The mission is initiative of Department of ITBD Government of Karnataka. Very happy to be here in the ICC event on AI. And I think the important question which has been coming across in everybody's mind is about how AI is gonna look forward for economic growth, job opportunities, and especially for the small and medium enterprises as well. And I think in this journey, we see a very huge potential from an AI. I see it as a transformation technology, which is not only limited to enterprises, but is also going to add a value towards the small and medium enterprises. It helps us to create new business products, value-added services. It also creates new markets. What we have seen is that roughly, roughly around $20-25 trillion of the economic value that we can realize from the AI. And I see India realizing roughly around 15-16% of that as well in coming years. If that realizes, Karnataka is going to be the leading state in terms of realizing economic value. And the reasons is very clear, very well known. One, we are the largest technology cluster in the world. We are also called as fourth largest cluster in the world. We are also called as one of the top 3 AI resources in the world. We have more than 600,000 AI resources deployed right now in the state of Karnataka. And we're looking at to create more than 200 and 300,000 resources more coming years. Under our scheme of Nipuna program, which the department has come out with, we're looking partnership with the industry to create these AI resources, which can be looking forward to fulfill the demands of not only Karnataka and India, but also the world as well. We're also working on creating those centers of excellences. The government of Karnataka through department has created initiatives on center of excellence with the Art Park, Brains, Center of Excellence with IIT, IIT Alumni Association, IIT Alumni Center here, commercialization of AI with partnership with NESCOMs. So we have these center of excellences coming up. We're also looking forward to see how AI can be decentralized and the initiatives can be taken up at the level of beyond Bangalore. So we have a center of excellence in Dharwad now, an AI. And Hubli is another important city for us where we find almost 800 to 1,000 resources on AI are deployed right now, serving the various global clients from the Hubli city as well. We also have innovation coming up from Mysore. We have Vigyan Labs, which has created a fantastic GPU, which can be running with lesser power and also consumption of lesser HVACs and sustainable environment for us. A lot of innovations are happening on hardware side as well. We also see initiatives which are there in terms of creating these startups which are promoting her. In fact, the Deep Tech Elevate program, which the department has started, is to bring grants up to 1 crore for a startup when they selected, and up to 1 crore is what available for them to strengthen their businesses and going forward for their product valuations and etc. That call has been done. People will be engaged into those areas. We also see the initiatives on training and the enterprises level, partnering with the GCCs. In fact, the GCCs here is a maturity index gone up. We are the largest center of GCCs here, and almost around 20% of the GCCs have started using AI in their workflows and serving their parent companies and creating different R&D projects for themselves. The IPs are getting created from here. One of the largest IPs created by all over India states is from state of the Karnataka as well. Private enterprises create IPs and registered maybe somewhere else in the world, but the number of IPs which are created on these R&D projects and the emerging technologies is largest here in the state of Karnataka. The government is committed, the industry is committed. The question comes up about whether the AI will take over the jobs, etc. I don't see that level, because what I see is that AI is a transformative technology which we want to create more jobs and more redefining the existing jobs into different formats. In fact, I see 69 million jobs going to be created worldwide on behalf of this transformation technology on AI. We can realize a lot of opportunity for us in economic value. And when I interact with industry leaders here today, I find really enthusiasm that now AI is going to be helping value, not to the enterprise level, but at the grassroots level of our farmers, our healthcare practitioners, our agriculture suppliers, and also the manufacturing of various kinds, from textiles to pharma to automobiles to component manufacturing and even toys.
I think it's a very interesting conference that reaches out to a lot of people, right? If you look at the theme itself, human first AI, there is obviously a lot of concern amongst all that AI is going to take away what a lot of us are doing, but to my mind it's only going to augment, and there are going to be new ways of doing things, better ways of doing things, leading to better outcomes. And as with a lot of tech, this will only accelerate what we can gain, right, as a growing, ambitious economy. Right? It is also very meaningful for us here in Bangalore and Karnataka, because we have a very large, accomplished pool of talent, and what we do with it, with the AI themes here, is going to galvanize not just the country but the globe as such. So we do have that potential, right, and the energy, in this market.
What is the main USB in this market?
Yeah, I think if you look at something that come together, like one of the panelists was speaking, deep talent and deep tech have been part of Karnataka's journey for very long, right? With the start of public sector and deep tech enterprises long ago, like the likes of HAL, BEL, etc. That only accelerated into the new world, where we have software giants that have come up, tech giants, services giants, right? And I'm very, very confident that this talent foundation is going to very easily scale the AI world as well, right? And make more interesting outcomes, happen for us, again, as a state, as a city, as a country.
Thank you.
Thank you.